My first passion is the buildings. I love buildings. They're called first facades, and I have a collection called Urbane, that's URBANE facades. And they depict areas in Brooklyn, Bronx, Harlem, Queens. I do buildings, I do churches, and then my second gift, if you want to call it that, is painting, and that's only been for the last 3 years. This bicycle took me 3 years to create.
You're a painter, right? What you say, an artist painter? What do you call it?
Regularly a painter, plus artist, because I do other things like, pertaining to the art, like bookmaking, graphics, t-shirt printing, originally silk screen printing, I have a lot of years doing silk screen printing, I went to Haiti on a cruise, and the people come to the dock at the ship side and we're dancing. So I just snap the picture and I come and, produce it. This is an African lady, and I put my own spin on it, It was all different. If you notice, I get a picture which it was half, and I put on the bottom there, the legs, and nice it up,
The Sister Girls is an environmental organization with young girls and boys leading the way to save the planet. We do a lot of environmental activities like beach cleanups, presentations, things like that. These are all using recycled materials, just showing that whatever you have around your house, you can make art with. Nice. So this is a pair of wings I already had, covered in newspaper and embellished with bottle caps, buttons, some tissue paper we had around the house, and things like that.
This is aluminum foil and plastic, which is showing that these items are very dangerous for the environment.
I just want to say a little bit about Sister. Sister, CISTA means commit to good health, invest in yourself, share with others, team up, and activate a positive plan that meet and talk to people every day. So the sister organization is, as they said, about environmental products and programs, and we're involved with this because we had an annual event that was called Save Our Monarch Butterflies, and out of this we got invited to participate in this event where we now, our sister girls, are creatively put these butterflies together in an environmental way.
Let's talk about your art a little bit. This one right here. What is it all about?
It's about how everybody comes together to make an identity just who you are. It's not just one race, it's every single race that makes you who you are.
I'm so excited. This is my first exhibit using photography like it's a painting.
You're right, because I have to look real good and wonder if it's a painting. But it's actually, all of these right here are photography pictures, right?
Yes, they are. They are all taken at a dance by a dance group here in Queens called the VC Dance Company. Okay. And hopefully they all convey women as fierce people.
I've done a lot of artwork before, but I'm really starting to come back into it again. And I love water lilies, so it just came out just beautiful when I did it.
I've been actually doing photography for many years, but I got into creative photography when my son invited me to do back of the house, and then it took off from there. So thank you, Tyron Mays.
I'm always looking for new artists to come to SQPA to have their art showcased in our exhibit. I love working with the artists, and we welcome everyone in all mediums.
Come chat with me.